Hi, welcome to Hidden History Hub channel. On this auspicious occasion of Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti, we take a journey through the remarkable life of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He was born in a time of foreign rule. He had no vast army, no great wealth. Yet he challenged mighty empires and built Swarajya. This is the inspiring history of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the lion of the Maratha Empire and one of India's greatest warriors. Shivaji Maharaj was born on 19th February 1630 at Shivneri Fort in present-day Maharashtra. His father Shahaji Bhosle was a Maratha general serving the Deccan Sultanates, while his mother Jijabai played the most important role in shaping Shivaji's character. Jijabai narrated stories from the Ramayana and Mahabharata, teaching Shivaji values of justice, courage, and devotion to dharma. From a young age, Shivaji learned horse riding, sword fighting, archery, and military strategy. During the 17th century, India was under the control of the Mughals, Adil Shahi, and other foreign powers. Shivaji Maharaj dreamed of Swarajya, self-rule by the people of the land. At just 16 years old, Shivaji captured Torna Fort, marking the beginning of the Maratha Empire. Shivaji Maharaj introduced guerrilla warfare, Ganimi Kawa, swift attacks, surprise movements, deep knowledge of terrain, quick retreats. This strategy allowed smaller Maratha forces to defeat much larger enemy armies. His network of forts, Raigad, Pratapgarh, Rajgarh, Sinhagarh, became the backbone of his military strength. One of the most famous events in Shivaji Maharaj's life was his encounter with Afzal Khan, a powerful general of the Adil Shahi Sultanate. Knowing Afzal Khan's intentions, Shivaji wore hidden armor and carried a Vagh-Nakh, tiger claws. When Afzal Khan tried to attack during their meeting, Shivaji defended himself and emerged victorious. This event proved that presence of mind and strategy matter more than brute force. In 1674, Shivaji Maharaj was crowned Chhatrapati at Raigad Fort. This coronation was historic because it established a Hindu sovereign kingdom, introduced efficient administration, promoted justice, religious tolerance, and local governance. Shivaji Maharaj was not just a warrior but a visionary ruler. Key administrative reforms: Ashta Pradhan Mandal, Council of 8 Ministers. Strong revenue system. Protection of farmers. Respect for women and all religions. Strict discipline in the army. Looting of women and religious places was strictly prohibited. Shivaji Maharaj realized the importance of sea power and built a strong navy to protect the Konkan coast from Portuguese and other invaders. He constructed sea forts like Sindhudurg and Vijayadurg, earning him the title Father of the Indian Navy. Shivaji Maharaj's conflict with Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb is legendary. In 1666, Shivaji was invited to Agra but placed under house arrest. Using clever planning, Shivaji escaped hidden inside fruit baskets, one of the greatest escapes in Indian history. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj passed away on 3rd April 1680, but his legacy never died. He inspired Maratha expansion across India, future freedom fighters, ideals of self-rule, courage, and leadership. His life proves that a determined mind can change history. At conclusion, Shivaji Maharaj was not just a king. He was an idea of Swarajya, justice, and fearless leadership. Even today, his name ignites pride in every Indian heart. Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. Thanks for watching. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to my channel Hidden History Hub.